So now let's see how we can utilize Plagiarism Checker as a student inside of Google Classroom. So over here, you can see that I have this particular classroom and the teacher has posted an assignment right here. And if I were to click on this, then over here you can see that originality reports are available. So the teacher should enable this in order for the originality reports to be there for the students to check. For this, a G Suite account is needed. So an account provided by your school does support the originality report, but the regular Google Classrooms with regular Google accounts does not have this at the moment of the recording. So over here, if I were to go around and then click on add or create, then you have an option to add different files. And for originality report, the report should be in docs format. It does not support the other formats at the moment again. So now what I'm going to do is over here, you can see that this is the document right here. I'm going to click and this will open up in a new tab right here. So now over here, what I need to do is I need to go around and add in my content. So I'm just going to go around and then let's say, for example, I have copied out a content from Wikipedia. So I'm just going to go around and paste it out right here. So this will actually show plagiarism right here. So this is what I have, as you can see. So this is the content, and over here, before I actually go around and submit this, I want to run an originality report. So once you turn it, it is actually turned in. But if you want to check out the originality report, then you click on run right here. And over here, it mentions that there are 3 originality reports available. So for one student, there is a total of 3 originality report checks for each classroom. So I'm just going to go around and click on run right here. And what happens is that the originality report is running, as you can see. So there's a 25% check, and now there's a 33% check, as you can see right here. And similarly, there's 88% check right here. So it'll keep on checking for originality report right here, just like this, you can see. And now you can go around and click on view originality report as it is ready. And over here, if I were to simply go around and click, it opens up the new tab, as you can see right here. And now you can exactly see the originality report. So as I click on this, you can see that they are actually duplicate contents. So this is your passes, and this is where the passes is from. So this is from Wikipedia, as you can see right here. So this is from Wikipedia as well, and so forth. So you can see that there's the plagiarisms that detected right here, just like this. And if I were to go around over here, then you can see that there are 10 web matches from wikipedia.com, and that is where I actually copied it from. So there's 10 flagged passages and 15 cited or quoted passages right here. There's web matches, which is matching everything because I copied and pasted out everything right here. I can also see the percentage right here, and this is what I have, as you can see right here. So there's total 77% of cited or quoted contents right here, as you can see. That is actually masked out right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and check the originality report as a student inside of Google Classroom if the teacher has enabled plagiarism report for students. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.